Draw a line. Mark on 1 centimeter. We have to draw a perpendicular from this point. On perpendicular we need 1 centimeter line. This one 1 centimeter line. Join both these points. This one 1 centimeter, this one 1 centimeter, this one is under root 2. So we have to draw under root 2 on number line. So our answer is 0, A, B, C. OC is under root 2, OB is under root 2. This under root 2 is come from the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is OC square. Base is OA square. Perpendicular is AC square. OA is 1 centimeter. AC is 1 centimeter. So 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1. OC square is 2. So OC value is under root 2. So OC is also equal to OB. So OB is equal to under root 2. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe our channel.